Hi, I'm joined by Jim Frazier, Vice President, Infrastructure and Smart Cities at ARC Advisory Group. Jim, thanks for joining me today.
Hey, thanks, Chris.
So, as the leader of the ARC Smart Cities and Intelligent Infrastructure practice, can you tell me a little bit about your background?
Yes, I've had a long career working with technology companies as well as an independent contractor in the areas of lighting, energy, transportation, and the convergence of all of those three.
And what exactly is the ARC Smart Cities and Intelligent Infrastructure practice?
Well, about a little over a year ago, ARC started building a practice around intelligent infrastructure, meaning typically publicly owned infrastructure, lighting, transportation, energy, prime focus, but with other specializations of smart parking, automated vehicles, and some of those areas.
Can you describe the team that's supporting?
Sure. In the last few months, we built out a very robust team of senior analysts. We have Larry O'Brien, focuses on cybersecurity. Rick Risch on energy issues, including microgrids, photovoltaic, and related control systems, automated demand response systems. We have Alex Chatta, who focuses on lighting and smart city platforms. Epan Jacob is our building automation, fire alarm, building security person. We have Wasay Rashid in Munich, who focuses on rail applications, light rail and freight transit. We have Eddie Fiddler, who focuses on transportation standalone applications like red light cameras, smart parking. And of course, we have Rob D'Angelo, who's our Director of Business Development. So it's a very robust and energetic team.
And what studies do you have coming out this year?
Oh, we have a number of them. We've just finished out the impact of electric vehicles on fleet operations. We have smart parking. We have a series on transportation issues of autonomous vehicles, of the fixed infrastructure in support of connected vehicles. There is some demand response projects coming out. Fire alarm security. It's a very busy schedule.
Sounds like it. As you build out this effort, what initiatives are you undertaking?
This is a new initiative here, so we have quite an aggressive marketing campaign, and I'll leave some of that to be revealed in the very near future.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks for joining me today.
Hey, thank you very much, Chris.
This is Chris Kinane coming to you from ARC Advisory Group's Orlando Forum. Thank you for watching.